Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm holding something rather unique today, the Nothing Phone 3. Now, if you have been following Nothing's journey, you are aware that each release brings something new to the table, and they've done it once more this time. The Nothing Phone 3 is a statement rather than merely a phone. A reminder that user experience and design don't have to be compromised in any way. It is evident from its distinctive transparent back, gorgeous glyph lighting, and distinctively clean software experience that Nothing has put a lot of effort into making something that is not just useful but also feels personal. Let's examine the features that make the Nothing Phone 3 one of the most aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly gadgets available. To begin with, the Nothing Phone 3's design is so captivating that it's difficult to look past it. A stunning view of the inner components is provided by the translucent rear, which is a showstopper. There is a purpose here though, and it goes beyond aesthetics. The recognizable glyph interface features customizable LEDs for charge indicators, notifications, and even in call alerts. Nothing has improved these lights to make them more user-friendly and practical, giving you the impression that the phone is speaking to you right now. It's sleek, simple, and incredibly original. The Phone 3's build quality is a testament to craftsmanship, and it feels remarkably sturdy in the hand. Holding this in public will make you feel proud. It turns heads without being garish. It's subdued but unquestionably daring. Now let's talk about the software, which is where the Nothing Phone 3 really shines. You may enjoy a remarkably quick, fluid, and bloat-free experience with Nothing OS 3.0. They seem to have reduced the Android experience to its most basic components, which is very refreshing. With a few clever touches from Nothing, it's just pure seamless Android without any extraneous clutter or advertisements. With their design language, they have also done something unique. It seems as though the phone was made to fit your everyday routine because of the natural feel of the icons, fonts, and animations. It's a simple software experience that feels well thought out, considered, and genuinely delightful. Alright, let's discuss performance, since without it, a stunning design and spotless software are meaningless. With up to 12GB of RAM and the newest CPU, the Nothing Phone 3 has more than enough power to tackle any task you put it through, including multitasking, gaming, and taking pictures. Glyph notifications and customizable gestures are among the fascinating user-friendly features they've included. They make it feel almost like you have a personal assistant at your side. This exhibits incredible attention to detail. It is evident that they have considered methods to make phone interactions as smooth and easy as feasible. We must discuss the camera system, of course. The Nothing Phone 3's sturdy dual camera configuration produces beautiful images and videos. The interesting part is that the glyph lights serve a purpose beyond aesthetics. In fact, they work as a gentle fill light, which makes them ideal for getting close-ups or lovely portraits in dim lighting. It's a really ingenious integration that gives form purpose. The images are clear, with natural tones and brilliant hues. This phone is perfect for people who enjoy taking pictures, since it does more than just capture them, it gives them a cinematic appearance. Not to be overlooked is battery life. Even with frequent use, the Nothing Phone 3's sturdy battery easily lasts a full day. Additionally, the company's dedication to sustainability is endearing. Nothing demonstrates their concern for the future more than the present, from long-term software upgrades to recyclable packaging. It seems as though they are creating a phone that will last for a lot longer than a year or two. Is the Nothing Phone 3 a worthwhile purchase? Of course. This phone is for everyone who thinks that gadgets should be experiences rather than merely tools. The Nothing Phone 3 delivers an uncommon combination of intelligence and beauty with its distinctive form, minimalist software, well-considered features, and sustainability emphasis. It's a gadget that provides you with the essential technologies while honoring your desire for simplicity. The Nothing Phone 3 is more than simply a phone. In my opinion, it's a protest against the daily distractions, clutter, and overcomplications we encounter. The Nothing Phone 3 might be the ideal partner for you if you're searching for a phone that is as unique as it feels. Thank you for watching, and if this review was useful to you, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth evaluations, and leave a comment letting me know whether you would consider the Nothing Phone 3. Stay motivated as usual, and I'll see you at the next one.